Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make variety lemon juice. First, select about 6 to 8 fresh, ripe lemons. You'll also need 4 cups of cold water and 1/2 cup of your preferred sweetener, such as granulated sugar or honey. Make sure you have a sturdy juicer, a large pitcher, and a long spoon ready for mixing. These basic ingredients form the foundation for all our delicious variations. To begin, gently roll each lemon on a countertop for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps release more juice. Next, carefully cut each lemon in half and use your juicer to extract all the liquid, aiming for about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Pour this juice into your pitcher, add the 4 cups of water, and then stir in your 1/2 cup of sweetener until it is fully dissolved. Taste and adjust sweetness as needed. Now, let's explore some exciting variations. For a refreshing herbal note, muddle a few sprigs of fresh mint or basil directly into your pitcher. If you prefer a fruity flavor, blend 1 cup of strawberries or raspberries into a puree and stir it in. For a bolder taste, try adding 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger or even a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. You can also top off your glass with sparkling water for a delightful fizz. Once your variety lemon juice is perfectly mixed, serve it chilled over ice. A fresh lemon slice, a few berries, or an extra sprig of mint makes a beautiful garnish. If you have any leftovers, pour them into an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for about 3 to 5 days. For longer storage, you can even freeze it in ice cube trays and enjoy it later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.